For a sports fan, nothing compares to being at a baseball game. The crack of the bat, the roar of the crowd. But most people experience baseball at home. Years ago, this was limited to radio. Black and white TV added form. Color TV added life. But now with high definition, everything has changed. The experience is almost like being on the field. In the same way HD technology has improved game day, Logos' high-definition Old Testament brings the nuances of the Hebrew Scripture into crisp clarity with in-text markup. Now, English readers can understand the Hebrew linguistic devices used by the Old Testament's authors to convey meaning. Discover why the writer of Genesis uses repetition in the story of Joseph and Potiphar's wife. Marvel at how Adam denies blame through characterization. Be sure to emphasize the same points as the original authors. The power of in-text markup doesn't stop with English. The high-definition Old Testament also works together with the Lexham Discourse Hebrew Bible to give you even more insight. See how the author of 1 Samuel uses word order to help organize a battle sequence. Notice important scene changes in the book of Numbers. Understand the contrasts between David's reign in Hebron versus Jerusalem. And whether you are reading in English or Hebrew, Logos has simplified the text complexity by separating each clause onto its own line and annotating them to show how they relate to one another. Grasp the structure of the text and communicate the full force of Scripture with the high-definition Old Testament and Lexham Discourse Hebrew Bible. And be sure to also check out Logos' high-definition New Testament.